Hey guys, welcome to another showcase today, and this is going to be a showcase of some really awesome all free PBR materials, and this website here called cc0textures.com, and I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out, offers over 170 free PBR materials, whether you want to use them for your own models in other programs or whether you want to use them specifically for programs like Substance Painter to use them with that sort of workflow. And these provide high resolution textures all the way up to 8K resolution, all free, with all the colour roughness normals that you expect from a sort of PBR set of textures, all suitable for all types of programs and models, all free of charge, and it requires no attribution or where you got these textures from, and they just allow you to use them in whatever way you want. You can sell your work, you can do whatever, and they've got an awesome library of free stuff, all supported by the patrons that they have, and they add to their library day on day. So be sure to check these out. Give them a big thumbs up for creating really awesome stuff. You can choose to get the Substance Archive, which is specific for textures related to Substance, or the separate textures in 2K, 4K or 8K, and you can choose to support them on Patreon if you want to see this grow and grow. So like I've said, you can use this for anything. You can sell models made with these textures and materials, so it's absolutely fantastic. So be sure to check out cc0textures.com if you're looking for a whole host of materials. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.